Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Transformers BOTBOTS. So this is Series 1. There is 24 to collect in Series 1. They're made by Hasbro. So they have two modes to them. Series 1, 24 to collect, made by Hasbro. You can look them up at transformersbotbots.com. Link down below in the description there. Kind of some instructions on how to get out of the bots here. And as you can see, they are actual licensed, authentic, real Transformers. Now the only thing that's kind of bad about these is they don't technically have a commercial type of deal going on there. Another thing is they don't have an animated, series, which is actually kind of a real dirty shame because they really should have an animated series. I mean, if they could give it to Transformers Rescue Bots and Transformers Rescue Bots Academy and stuff like that, why not to this? I mean, they have Transformers Cyberverse, Transformers, I can't remember the other one. But he had Bumblebee and his team with Sideswipe and, Strong Arm and all of them. They had Transformers Prime and stuff. Transformers, Combiner Wars, and then Time's Return and Power to Primes. And now Netflix is going to do their thing. Why not Transformers BOTBOTS, the animated series? Why the F not? Because, I mean, I would watch it. Of course, it's going to be, somewhat cartoonish. I want to say cartoonish somewhere between Transformers Rescue Bots Academy-ish, to maybe Transformers Cyberverse. I really don't think they're going to go Transformers anime type of cartoonish, but it'll be kind of fun. I don't know if they're taught or anything. They might be kind of like Transformers Armada minicons, where they just kind of speak in binary code with I don't know, Star Wars R2-D2 kind of beeps and boops and bops type of thing. But I hope that they would actually speak actual English and stuff. And yeah, like I said, it would be a pretty cool thing to watch. Anyway, I'm boxing this, so let's see if the camera can focus here. So lift up the flap, then turn it around like this, and then push out. So who do we get in our little blind mystery bots here? The prices of these range from like 3 something to maybe 7 something. Depends on where you go and buy these at. So here we go. And so you have this little slit here, which is pretty slit, and just saying, turn it over, give it a little push, and our mystery character is whatever that is. And it looks like there is an instruction sheet. That I'm not really sure how you pop this out. Maybe like this. So, yeah. Let's see who we got and who it's from. It looks like it's from the Toilet Troopers. So they're kind of showing you how you unfold and stuff. Here's kind of like all the different games that there is. But unfortunately here, they don't actually say like Sweet Shop or the Techno game or whatever where the heck this one is. They just kind of have like the little symbols here, like, you know, soap and stuff. So, pooper, toilet troopers here. We have that, so let's look for a toilet bowl, which is over here. And we have one that actually I'm not seeing it on here. I guess it's this one right here, but hard to say because from what we see here with these evil glowing wet eyes too, this is kind of get sunglasses. Yeah, I don't know. That would make the most sense considering that it's closest to its little icon symbol, but you know what I mean, like how that has like a bar soap. This one shows the toilet for toilet troopers, but okay, let's transform it. So this is kind of what it looks like. And if you don't know what it's supposed to be, you know, a deodorant stick, you know, Speed Stick, Old Spice, whatever brand you use. That's kind of what this one's supposed to be. So yeah. So to transform it, just saying, just open up these two little doors here. Like that. Then next we get in there and then we open up these, which is going to be his little hand. So there we go. And finally we go in the back here and we try to grab his little feet, which are actually kind of stiff in there. And yeah, so they say just hair like this, but you could actually take these and kind of fold them up a little bit, like that. You can't really fold them down, but yeah. And there we go. There's our little BOTBOT. It's all transformed from a deodorant speed stick type of thing. And this one, it's level 3, so I guess they do have a ranking system on here. So 3 stars, and his name is No Behold. And I guess his little profile thing that says, "Whoa, super sniffing deodorant bloodhound." So yeah, I guess that's his little tech bio bat story type of quote that he has. So yeah, that's pretty much, you know, it for this one. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Transformers, Hasbro, BOTBOTS, Series 1, blind boxes. You know, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.